Alright, so today, hopefully my mic's working. It's been giving me some issues lately. Today we're gonna let my roommate ride my Ducati, not Bravo, Flow Money Ant. He's ridden it before, but you know, we didn't get it on video. But yeah, it's a super nice day. It's like the first day of spring. Honestly, it's over 70s, so we're gonna go ahead, get over to the spot. I wish we had a bigger parking lot to go to, but we don't. We're also gonna get some rollers. I got the Insta360 on. Such a nice day out, but I had to work till 6, so the sun's already about to go down. It's gonna go down at like 7. It's like 6:30. We missed most of the sunlight, but it's still warm out here. We got good old Miley behind us. I don't know. Oh, she's hella far back there. Hurry up, bro. I wonder if my bike shoots flames. I know it did once when I missed a gear, but like, I mean, like if I just like rev it, you know, it's like, I wonder if it would shoot flames. That'd be sick. Oh, we got a runner out here. Oh, he's an old guy. Uh-oh. Man, you know I gotta give him a pull when I jump on the freeway. Meow, meow, meow. My blinker's on. It's all good. I'm gonna turn anyways. Now he's behind us. Let's go. Dude, I still don't know how I feel about the Insta360 being there. Fast, boys, we fast. Now I gotta wait for Flow Money in. We fast, boys. Dude, this is so much more fun than a fucking 500. Oh. Show you what that real speed looks like. And it's old, bro. Imagine having like a 2020. I think you'd have to turn off all the settings. Well, come on, Float. Where you at? He's coming! He's coming! Yeah, what's good with y'all? This shit's so fast. Oh. The handlebars got a little wobbly on me. I gotta... I might have to take it to a suspension guy. Last thing I need is a tank slapper, you know? We got Manguanada doing the camera work for us. You know. Just have to make sure there's no police behind us. Yeah, we're chilling. Shit's so fast, dude. Oh my god. We got Flow Money Ant. You ain't fitting on there.
I can fit right there.
He's reading it before. You know, oh, my hair's messed up for YouTube. He's reading it before. He's got this in the bag. Oh shit. Oh, the bike is so fast, dude. Dude, she's just a tank. She's just a tank. Oh, man. I love this bike. I need another one, though, because I don't want to waste this one's lifespan. You know what I'm saying, Manguanala?
Yes.
Don't want to waste its life. That's why I don't like driving Miley Girl all the time. I wish we had somewhere bigger.
Or if this was in the lane.
Holy shit. It will make you want a bike.
Yeah.
I was getting down there in that R6 video.
Dude. Yeah, for real.
I'm putting some wear on her.
Yeah, this bike is insane.
You like her?
Oh my god. I got hat hair / helmet hair.
Helmet hair. Man, bro.
Ducati heat. My legs are on fire.
Dude, that toasty, huh? I told you that shit's real.
Oh.
But yeah. Dude, she zooms.
She does. I wasn't even, that was like
I know.
baby portions of throttle. Like,
I still can't open throttle it. I'll freaking
when
die.
I give it a little bit of throttle like that, it just feels.
The bike leaves you, huh? Yeah.
It's crazy. It really does. It's like a fucking rocket.
When I first started riding it, I would give it throttle and the bike would start leaving me and I'd like slide off the seat. I'm like, oh, what the hell? I'm like, no, I gotta reset. You gotta actually like hug the tank.
It handles so well though. Like
I know. At one part though, I felt like my handlebars were getting away from me, like left to right, kind of like a death wobble.
Yeah.
And I was like, I might need to check my suspension. I'm taking it on Friday. I might have to have them check my suspension. Cause I was like, oh hell nah, I ain't going down.
Insane.
But yeah, she's a beast.
For real.
She's a beauty. That's why I want to.
Put some of the parts that you're gonna put on it too.
That's why I want another bike though, so I don't waste this one's life. It has such a long life to live.
It's warm here, it radiates it.
She's toasty.
I took so much pain in this game. I didn't know my pain would hurt my brain. I lost my friend to a bullet in his brain, and all these people play his life like it's a game. It's time, don't you panic. It hurts like I'm abandoned. Grab the 30 automatic, had to leave him where he's standing. I've been on a G-code since teen though. He knows that I know that he knows I'm lethal. I've been up and at it, can't explain how much it's tragic. I've been grinding for my paper, fuck the fame, bro, you can have it. My time I learned to manage, I'm on it just for the baggage. If you smoke, I've had it, especially if you roses and candles. And my love is anxious, you don't trust me, fuck you, you be hating. Your love is hard to handle, and I've been feeling just me. So me, you can't take this. Roses and candles, and my love is so fucked up at a gamble.